Sydney Harbour generates 40% of its grid from tidal tech now. Clean energy, zero noise. Same silhouette, new tech. These ceramic panels harvest salt air energy, a design upgrade without losing identity. Ferries fly now, but they're fully electric. 200 trips an hour, zero emissions. Traffic moved up, ocean stays calm. These domes research ocean health right here in the bay. The bridge cools the air by 6 degrees Celsius using plant filtration. You don't see tech like this. Stations collect 90% of rainwater. It irrigates urban forests across the city. Clever, clean. 50% of seafood is lab-clean farmed offshore now. Food grows out here, pollution doesn't. These homes regulate temperature using sea wind intake. No heaters, no AC. Just engineering working with nature. A city powered by ocean, not battling it. Tides generate power, corals regenerate wildlife, and the skyline stays beautifully alive.